I just switched the tires on my Camaro, and now we're gonna give it a spin and see how it feels with the new tires. So let's do it. I have to charge the battery because it's been sitting in the cold and kind of killed the battery, but hopefully after I charge it for a little while it will run, so we just have to wait a little bit longer. Alright guys, so I love the way this thing is running now. I mean, the tires really make a huge difference, and I think I want to keep it with these tires for now and maybe use the other ones for a different project, or keep it for a different place. I mean, a different surface, because the other ones make the car higher, taller, and these ones is really close to the ground. I mean, it's got a lot of stability, and I think that's what I want. But I should keep the other tires and just replace it in case I go somewhere where there's rocks or bumps or whatever. So,